Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons here with a before of this 2008 Premier Double Decker. This boat, it's been well used. It's only 13 years old, but the seats are starting to crack, starting to peel at the seams a little bit. The carpet is getting worn out. It's got moss and mold in certain places. So this boat will be getting all new flooring, all new vinyl floors, new deck boards underneath. It'll be getting all new furniture, a new helm. We're gonna make the layout work a lot better for this family because it's real crowded. You'll see in a minute when we climb in, but the layout is not exactly what they want. So we're gonna do a lounger with a corner seat in both sides instead of the captain's chairs up front here. And then we're gonna make more space so that the flow of the boat transfers better from front to back, especially since the access to the double decker or the upper deck is in the back. So let's climb on and take a look. So you can see some of the seats are starting to come apart at the seams. Otherwise, the vinyl is in pretty good shape, but just showing some wear and tear. This is gonna go. This isn't as functional for this family as what they want, so they're gonna eliminate this. We'll go with a big corner seat into a bench and a lean back. And then as we make our way back, this helm is enormous, which I'm sure it works for some people, but for this family, it blocks off with this double seat, blocks off the flow to the back of the boat. So we're gonna shrink this down to a normal reclining captain's chair, do a large helm, and then keep the ladder, keep the back configuration the same, but we're just gonna spruce things up with some new materials. Stay tuned. We're back with the 2008 Double Decker Premier. I'm gonna hop down and show you what's underneath these seat covers. We did a whole new interior on this boat, electrical console, flooring, seats, and like I said, the best part is what's underneath these custom-made seat covers. Comfy as can be. On this boat, we tore everything down to the bare aluminum studs, rebuilt with new deck boards. This is an 8.5 foot wide boat. We got 8.5 foot long by 4 foot wide sheets of marine grade plywood from pontoonstuff.com. The gray vinyl weave flooring, one of the most popular options. And then we went with the premium, more cushion, more comfort, with the blue and charcoal accents on the gray vinyl. Come aboard, I'll show you all the details inside. Starting in the front of the boat, we've got loungers on each side in the front corner. If you remember, this boat had a pair of captain's chairs with the table on one side. Didn't fit the needs of the customer, so we replaced it with the bench seating, big 30-inch corner radius front cushion seat, a lean back on each side, and of course, a table in the middle. If this needs to come out, we have a nice flush mount base. We can walk over it, have even more space on the floor, but it'll stay in most of its life. Set snacks and drinks on. As you come inside the boat, that vinyl floor gives a nice smooth transition throughout the entire boat. There used to be carpet with a little bit of vinyl in the back. Now we've got that waterproof, beautiful vinyl the whole way around. In the back, we have a nice long 55-inch premium bench seat with a lean back, a 28 corner, and then a 28 bench, leaving room to walk out to the stern entry. Triangle table in this boat allows for more passageway through, better flow of traffic, especially for the kids climbing up the ladder to the upper deck. We did have to go to a local upholsterer for that rear sun deck cushion, but it adds a nice touch to the rest of this furniture. We have a reclining tall chair for the captain with armrests. It's on a movable pedestal, so we can slide it forward and back no matter who's driving. It can be comfortable, and it does lean back, lean forward, easy to adjust. We like easy when we're out on the boat. And then if you take a look over here at the console, we have the large gray console. This with their binnacle control, carbon fiber accents for our switch panels and gauge panel. On this, we did swap out voltage gauge for a fuel gauge, always an option you can look into when you get into it. Depth finder, tachometer, and GPS speed. We have the deck mate Bluetooth stereo. We have a glove box for keys, anything else that needs to go in. Carbon fiber steering wheel. This boat got all the good stuff, including our interior LED lights, along with the exterior LED lights. If we look over the rail, and all fresh electrical with the electrical wiring harness from pontoonstuff.com. So everything's freshly run. Everything is going to work when the switches are hit. That's the way it should be when we're boating. That is the 2008 redone Premier 25-foot Majestic.